Whether you need to carry your passport or muddy shoes, the right gear can help. I'm Tom from Pack Hacker, back with some more awesome travel products. And first I want to thank Cellars for sponsoring this video, but more on that later. Let's dive in. If you're going abroad, it's convenient to carry your travel documents along with your cash and cards. The Zero Grid Passport wallet has a spot for everything without going overkill, and it takes up a lot less space than you'd think. There's a front stash pocket for your boarding passes and tickets you need quick access to. Inside the wallet, you can hold up to 6 cards, a passport, cash, and any necessary vaccination records. There's even space for a tiny pen so you can be ready to fill out customs forms. Like other great travel wallets, it includes RFID blocking to protect your data from skimmers and digital thieves. Even with all of its capable carrying and organization, it's got a smaller footprint than a lot of other travel wallets that we've tested. And it's got a lower price tag too. It's just slightly larger than your passport, though it's likely too bulky to fit in your pants pocket. It's lightweight too with ripstop nylon fabric, so it won't weigh you down. However, we are slightly concerned with how long it could last because the materials aren't the most durable we've seen. We've had no issues in our testing though, so we've got high hopes for the future, though it does feel a little bit cheap in the hand. A mini tripod is great for streaming videos and taking group photos. However, every extra accessory adds more weight to your pack. That's why I was excited to stumble on the Kenu Stance mini tripod stand. It's smaller than a pack of gum and hooks onto your keychain using a jump ring. Lauren has been using this on a lot of her trips and she likes it because of the super slim profile. It stays in your sling until she needs it, and it's easy to set up. It plugs into the lightning port of an iPhone, and you can get a USB-C model instead if you're an Android user. While it could potentially damage the charging port over time, we haven't had any issues so far, and Lauren uses this thing all the time. Below the connection point is a ball joint, and you can rotate it to find the perfect angle, then pull the legs out and set your phone up in portrait mode. The rubber feet add some grip so it won't slip. If you want to use it in landscape mode, leave the legs together and they work as a little kickstand. It comes in handy even if you don't need a tripod because it has a built-in bottle opener to crack open your local brew at the hostel party. I love introducing friends to new tastes and flavors from places I visit, just as much as I love sharing gear with you. It makes me feel like I'm still on my trip somewhere enjoying something like a glass of wine. Plus, a bottle can make a great gift. With a subscription from Cellars, this video's sponsor, I can share varieties from more than 80 different regions. They match you with wine after a short quiz, which is much easier than trying to explain what you like, especially if you don't know. There are 12 plan options and it shows up at your door with wine education cards describing how to serve it, what to pair it with, and what tasting notes come through. It's kind of like bringing a tasting room right into your home. Plus, Cellars will replace any bottle that you don't like. I like rating the wine for better matches in the next delivery. And if I'm traveling, which I frequently do, I can skip or cancel an order at any time. Right now, you can get your first 6-bottle box, a more than $150 value, for just 70 bucks. Click the link down in the description below to take the quiz and get started. You'll enjoy some great wine with friends and family, just like we did right here at Pack Hacker, and you'll help support us too. Now, back to the gear. What's an awesome way to carry small travel accessories? Of course, it's a sling. I mean, at least we think so. If you're looking for a small bag with multiple carry options, the BIHN Bantam could be just the sling for you. It comes with a thin strap suitable for carrying it as a regular crossbody. If you want to switch up the style, there are loops on the sides where you can attach a wider strap from BIHN or another brand. There are also 2 more on the back where you can slide your belt through. This is a well-structured 1-liter sling that holds more than just your phone, wallet, and keys. Even though it only has one main compartment, it includes a liner pocket big enough for a standard size phone, plus 2 stretchy pockets in the front where you can stash AirPods, lip balm, and gum. And if you don't need the pockets, the best part is they just stay out of the way. And of course, since this is a BIHN bag, there are 3 O-rings where you can clip modular gear like the included key strap exactly where you want it. We have the RX30 X-Pack version, and at the time of this video, you can also get it in a Halcyon 400 or a reversed X-Pack. That's regular X-Pack, but the shiny part is just on the outside of the bag instead. Sometimes all you need is a lightweight and straightforward day pack. Able Carry took the Daybreaker and made it even better in the second iteration. The Daybreaker 2 is a daily carry bag that is durable and packed with features. The main compartment opening extends down the right side, making it easy to load the 25-liter bag with cubes and pouches. There are also more pockets for organization compared to the original. A small quick stash pocket on the right side has a water-resistant zipper to protect your gear like a phone, passport, or gloves. Inside, a zippered pouch along the front panel is roomy enough for loose gear like gum, sunglasses, and tiny travel tech accessories, though we found that packing it full causes it to fall down when opened. The one downside to the lightweight fabric is a bit of a floppy structure. Still, every ounce counts when flying a budget airline, so you may find it worth it. It's comfortable too, and the bag is mounted slightly higher on the nicely padded harness system to better distribute the weight of your gear. It's comfortable and durable enough to take pretty much anywhere, so it might be a great personal item bag for the flight to your next adventure. We are big fans of organizing gear inside of pouches, but sometimes you've got your hands full with a computer, coffee, and a snack. So we like that the Venture pouch has 2 loops to attach a strap for when you need it. Well, it doesn't come with one. You can clip a strap from Bellroy or another brand and sling it over your shoulder. Or just tie on a piece of rope or twine if you're desperate. Heck, maybe even a rubber band. The zippers are YKK Aqua Guard, so you don't have to worry about your gear getting wet if you're dashing into the co-working space from your Uber in the pouring rain. The recycled materials are also water resistant, which keeps your gear dry in most situations. The front pocket includes a divider so you can stow your AirPods or a battery bank and still have room to spare. Inside the main compartment, there's one padded pocket against the back wall. It's a good place to protect your phone or anything else you want from the remaining space. There's no other organization inside, so you might have to scrounge on the bottom of the pouch for smaller gear. However, with only 1.5 liters of space, you don't have too far to look. When living the digital nomad life, I need a portable way to maintain my beard while I'm on the road. If you're a bearded person, I think it is so essential to have a travel trimmer, which is why I chose to make my first pack hacker video ever on a trimmer. Just go scroll back and look at it, it's kind of embarrassing. Ever since then, I've been in the constant search for a better tool. That's why I was excited to get my hands on the Ritter O-Cut hair trimmer. This USB-C powered trimmer holds a charge for up to 4 hours. Other models seem to run out of battery after just a few uses, so I like that I don't have to recharge it as often on the road. And while some plug-in trimmers can feel cheap, this one feels super durable and works well as a plug-in trimmer as well. I brought a couple travel trimmers in to show my barber, and she said that a lot of the battery-powered ones can feel very cheap, although this one just feels like a trimmer that she'd use right at the shop. It's a little heavy at 1/4 pound, but it's only 4.5 inches long, so it's easy to fit into my DOP kit. It comes with different sized combs to get the perfect cut, whether I'm trimming up my sideburns or the back of my neck. It's versatile enough that you don't have to bring another tool to touch up elsewhere on your face either. The more uses in one, the better, especially when it comes to travel gear. If your vacation includes hiking, there's always a chance of having wet and muddy shoes. But you don't want to stuff dirty footwear back into your travel pack as you hop from place to place. With this shoe holster, you won't have to. The rubbery bands hook around the heel and toe, placing the soles together to keep any dirt facing in. Just wrap them around each shoe, then clip the holster to the outside of your travel backpack to carry them. It's as easy as attaching traction spikes. Lauren took these on a hiking trip to Denver to keep all the dirt from her boots out of her bag when hopping between hotels, and they worked like a charm. They also work great if you're short on space in your travel bag for an extra pair of footwear. Your shoes will swing around quite a bit, so be careful when walking through crowded spaces. They stay super secure once you get them in place though. And they come in 2 different sizes. Small and medium fits youth and women up to size 10, and extra large fits men's sizes 8.5 to 14. They come in a variety of colors, so you can get the set to match your backpack, your shoes, or just pick your favorite. So there you have it, some travel accessories for your next adventure. So what gear are you bringing on your next vacation? Let us know down in the comments below. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker. See you in the next video.